Hi everyone, welcome back to today's tabletop practice video, and let me get the table topic for today. If you could choose one book as a mandatory read for all high school students, which book would you choose? If you could choose one book as a mandatory read for all high school students, which book would you choose? Which book I would choose? The one book that is in my mind that I would want to make it mandatory for high school students is Life in Search of a Meaning. And why this book? This book was written by a doctor who was in Nazi camp. Uh, so, in during the Hitler's rule, the people were abducted and put into the gas chamber and put into the labors and factory. So, the author talk about the struggle of his life, struggle of uh, other people in the vicinity. He finds out he tries to identify the answer what makes people survive, and there are so many lessons which we should learn, uh, and I think those lessons can be very important for high school students. Talking about one such example is that there is one insight that doctor talked about is that most of the people who survived were those people who had the will to live. The people who did not have any hope left, they were the first one to die. They every day they were given only two breads in the morning, and they have to survive on those two breads for the rest of the day. So it was a very difficult time for them in those gas chambers and the factories is during the Nazi rule. So this is why I would want to recommend this book. It offers various insights in that book, and I think this book can be very helpful for uh, the students. If you are happen to not read this book, I would encourage you to read that book. This is a beautiful book and it will open your mind. Thank you for